Welcome back to Learn PHP on Codecademy. We're in the Intro to Built-in PHP Functions section. This is string functions. We can find PHP built-in functions to accomplish common tasks. Need to reverse a string? There's a built-in function for that. The string rev function takes in a string as its argument and returns a string with all of the characters of the original string in reverse order. Let's see it in action. Here we have echo string rev is passed in the string hello world. It will print that string in reverse. Remember that we can use the values returned from functions directly rather than saving them into variables. In the code above, we used echo to print the value returned from invoking the string rev function with the string hello world as its argument. PHP also comes with built-in functions to change the capitalization of a string. We can use the string to lower function to transform an argument string into all lowercase letters. Here we have echo string to lower hello, and it will print hello with all lowercase. Built-in functions often have multiple parameters. The string repeat function takes a string as its first argument and a number as its second. It returns a string containing the argument string repeated the argument number of times. So here we have echo string repeat, we say hi and we pass in 10, which would print hi 10 times. In the above code, we used echo to print the value returned from invoking string repeat with hi and 10 as its arguments, which is why we got hi 10 times. Let's practice. Instructions. Use echo and the string ref function to print the following string reversed. Let's do that now. Let's run it. And we do get our string in reverse printed out. You're doing great. Keep it up. 2 says use echo and the string to lower function to print the following string with all lowercase letters. Let's do that now. Run it. We do pass and we do see it lowercase all our string. 3 says use echo and the string repeat function to print the string there's no place like home 3 times. Let's do that here. Let's run that. And we do get it printed out 3 times. That was string repeat. So what we're learning in string functions is more about PHP built-in functions which help us accomplish different tasks. In this specific lesson, we learned about the string reverse function, which takes in a string as its argument and returns a string with all the characters reversed. Then we learned string to lower, which will lowercase a string we give it. So string to lower function will transform the argument string we pass in into all lowercase. And then we have string repeat, which is going to repeat the string we pass in first, the number of times we specify in the second argument. As long as you guys are understanding that, you guys are getting the string functions lesson, and I'll see you in the next one.